Ganda naman ng mga ano mo. Kakain na naman ako ulit ng barbecue. Sarap. Ano yan? ID mo yan? Iris? Invite ko ah. Hindi ata eh. Wait lang. Saan na ba yung GC natin? Accept ko muna to si Ken. Ay, friend ko na siya. Saan na ba yung stream natin? Dota is Sliper. Hey Fred, kamusta ka na? Nice to meet you. Gagi, Dota ID ang tinutukoy ka. Food trip na naman tayo, guys. Kuha lang ako ng drinks, guys. Tara, guys! Wait lang. Ito yung Discord, ah. Wait lang, ah. Ito, Discord. Ah! Sino to? Hindi ko kilala. Sino ba to? Ah, eto guys, yung Discord. Sali muna kayo ng Discord. Sali muna kayo ng Discord, guys. Ayan. CSQ, sige. Ken, pasok. Ay, parang hindi ata tayo aabot kay Ken. Sorry, mamen. Parang di ata abot sa'yo, idol eh. Si ano na lang yung tropa ko. GM. Kung to kayo. Guys, ano, Legend Asian tayo. Di ata pasok eh. Sana si Alistair? Game na ba? Sino ba? Guys, asan na kayo? Ah. Pero tignan natin. Drop nyo yung ID nyo, guys. Drop nyo yung ID nyo, guys. Sali kayo Discord. Kasali na. Okay, sige. Try natin si ano. G. Okay, si M to. Hindi ata makakasama isa. Or, andyan ba? Ay, sayang, John Mark. Di abot eh. Sige. G. G na. Para makarami. Sino yung Ace? Yung Leo? Kaya na. Discord natin. Anong rank mo na ba, Henry? Tara na. Para makarami ng talo. Rolls. Sa Cosmatsuri ka na lang mag-boot 3 days. Goal ka na sa oras pag Cosmania. Hindi ko lang sure eh. Kung magko-Cosmania ako. Okay. Uy, guys, roll! Tangina. Hello? Ay, puta, hindi ko na naman kayo naririnig sa Discord. Sorry, my bad. Wait lang, Tangina naman. Ito ka na naman, Logitech. Hindi ko sila naririnig.
Ito ba yung yung support din natin kagabi, yung 10%?
Hello? Guys, naririnig yun ako?
Siya yung mid. Siya na lang mag-mid pala.
Siya na lang mid. Si 10%. Kasama natin kagabi yan.
Mga pre,
na lang
naririnig
post
nyo ba ako, pre?
offline ka. Pre, rinig ka namin, pre.
Okay. Kanina di ko kayo naririnig.
Rinig.
Di ko kayo naririnig kanina. Puta. Wala pa lang sound yung stream ko sa, Dota. The fuck? Wala.
Bale ako,
Ayan, okay na.
Bale offline ulit ako. Magmi-mid yung 10%.
Offline ka.
Hoy, M, okay ka na ba?
Palag.
Sige. Bali, support kami ni Alistair or sino kasama ko mag-support?
Ako, madam.
Sino yun?
Si Waldoy.
Leo? Si Waldoy. Ikaw yung tangi,
Offline na lang tayo, Goods.
Tangi. Ikaw yung tangi. Ano ba yung tangi? Tanji.
Tanji, boss.
Kasi
Okay,
baka
okay,
mamaya
copy.
Sige, game.
Madam, ikaw mag-phosphor, okay lang.
Sige, sige.
Hindi. Offline ka sumama, kasama ko si Leo.
Sige, sige. Alat kagabi,
Magaganda din yung kalaban no?
Mm.
Okay lang yung talo, ang ganda ng laban.
Nilalagdat daw kasi si 10%.
Ay, ngayon na
Kaya
lang
pala
lagdat.
10% lang.
Ay, ngayon na lang lagdat.
Palitan ko lang wait lang
Ilang percent na lang ba ngayon, pre?
101, tangina, lista mo na.
Ikaw, ilang percent. Kuha na ako, listahan, tol. Kuha na listahan, lista ko na.
Dinagdagan ko na ng 0 sa dulo, tol.
100% na.
Last pick ako, tol,
SQ, ano po post 5 ko sa'yo?
Jack, gusto mo
Bisan
Jack?
mo. Jakiro, sige. Ano ba to? Liquid fire o liquid frost? Ano maganda?
Yung fire. May edge.
Sige. Jakiro kayo ni Bisa. Toxic. Ang heat type to eh. Debuff yung frost. Paano mas maganda yung frost? Damage from his other spells.
Hindi, yung attack speed.
At okay, sige, bala ko. Ako, Timber, only.
Ahit naman ang hero niya.
Ursa, Eskit, kaya ba?
Epic na ako.
Ayun. Luna?
Hindi na ako mag-blood grenade.
Pawa tayo sa Timber niyan, pre. Baka LD mid? Baka mag-Timber mid din to.
Puta na. Yung visit eh, LD.
Ito nga. Comments.
Mga visit na hero eh.
Hi, Joven. Airdrop Re. Okay na data plus mo. Sige, Carl.
I'm wanted in 6 nations. You think a glowing rock is gonna stop me? Let's get moving.
Look how they flee before us. This one's in the
You
bag.
ready for shenanigans?
Wow.
Interesting.
This one is in the bag.
In the bag? Stole the bag? My bag.
Stole the bank.
This place was boring anyway.
Catch us if you
We're
can.
going on a little field trip, chicks.
Double down ba to SQ?
Oh, nag-double down.
Double
na
down
ka
si
na.
Madam, oh.
Here we go. On my way.
Kalabanan natin.
Moving.
Ito tayo gusto niyo.
Nag-broke na.
One expert na.
Mischief awaits.
Expired.
Wala.
Let's fly.
Hindi yata ko contest.
30 seconds to battle.
Hello, Ron.
Let's find something to steal.
Consider yourself warned.
Oh!
Tara. Enchantress o Enchantress.
Don't take too much time.
Narot.
See where the road takes.
Huwag yun na i-grenade, patay na yan.
First blood.
Why
Little
Viper,
mischief
my
won't
friend?
help anymore.
Ito, Timber oh. Letter D nilagay na ito.
Sige, boss.
Ako, taas.
Oh,
Uy,
tingin lang. Hindi kayo nakatingin.
nasakals ako.
Oh, nabuon ako.
Gago. Pwede pa ata? Wag na.
Lang.
Naglilay na ako.
TP na lang ako. TP lang.
Sarap, bracer agad.
You're mine.
Ano to? Mirana mid, gago.
No time to dilly-dally.
Off lane off carry.
LD carry.
Iwas nila. Kinontra ko kasi.
I'll prove I'm the best.
Parak tayo dyan.
Can't stay here. Can't stay in one place too long.
Okay lang.
My time has come.
Lalala putang ina na to.
Time to get into trouble.
Bodoy na itong LD. Kaurat.
Come on, Jax.
Chantress na lang. Ano lang ba?
Okay. Lalo.
Ano nga lang?
Let's go, Jax.
Yung ano, timber.
Hindi. Ka lang.
I'm always on the move. The sooner we're out of here, the better.
Hindi ako makaano. Pero,
Let's see where the road takes us. Time to move.
gagong creeps
Kaya, bench ako.
What are we waiting for?
sunod sa akin.
No one can stop us.
Hindi ko maintindihan na yun, no? Ba't kaya ganun, no? Grabe sumunod yung creeps.
Oh.
Ano ko yung explanation ng
Time to
Dota
move.
dun?
Ako patayin.
Let's go.
Pinatay mo na. Abot kaya. So,
This isn't going to end well for you.
pull ko to ah.
Okay,
Let's get moving. You ready for shenanigans? Here we go. Over here! Retreat to shadows. Moving.
Why?
Let's fly.
Kunin ko yung lotus. Wait ko lang.
Time to get
Okay,
into
okay,
trouble.
Stop trip.
Ay, what's up? Jobon. Good evening.
Let's find something to steal.
Lotus men ako nakuha.
Mischief
Okay,
awaits.
para makalas ito.
On my way.
Teka, patay ata yan.
Right
I'll
up.
stay here. Let's go, Dix.
Harbor.
I'm going.
Dinaward na.
Time to be trouble. Stick around. I'll
No.
prove I'm the best.
Paluwa ata.
Jix, what do you say we go introduce ourselves? No time to dilly-dally?
Ilang
Sige, makunat na yung
Field
kabracer.
trip, Jix.
nakakapos.
A little mischief never killed anyone.
Yung magmirana.
I'm going. Let's keep a lookout. You think I don't know how to fight?
Ay, putang ina mo! Putang
Bubuhay
ina
Mirana,
talaga.
baka sa side of TV.
You're
Ingat
gonna
lang.
love
Blinak ako ng putang yun. Gago. Sige, I'm dead.
Nagpull ako sa akin.
What are we waiting for?
Sabi ako baka
Buhay,
nandiyan
buhay,
yung
buhay,
Mirana.
buhay.
I'll make you pay.
Ayun!
Nag-report ako
Kakatipi lang.
Pinasok ako.
Ang asloy. Uy. Ang skala.
Jix, what do you say we find who did
Pick
that
it up.
and rip their eyes
Ah.
out?
Okay.
Wala pa rin Mirana, hindi pa bumabalik.
Exit.
Hello, Anthony.
Let's get moving.
Kasing ka pa?
Dive, dive.
Time to get into trouble.
Anthony, tagasan ka nga ulit?
Mischief awaits.
Wala pa rin Mirana.
Time to be trouble. A gift from me to you.
Ayos sa'yo, pre.
Moving.
Ayaw sa akin. Tayo na yun ah.
Malapit pa sa'yo. Ayaw mo?
Ang tagal eh.
Nice of you.
No, nawala.
Come on, Jix.
Ay, ay, ay.
Yeah, okay lang ako, okay lang, okay lang.
5 sec.
Let's find something to
Dalawa
steal.
Wala
bracer.
timber, wala
Makunat.
timber ah.
Tagal na
Nice
ano,
one.
sentry ko. Nakablock yung creeps natin. Ano ko lang.
Against attack.
Wala timber, ingat.
Got to go.
Gap naman yun.
Sabagay.
My time has come.
Tagal na.
Ingat ka, Lotus.
Dire structures are fortified.
Can't stay here. Here we go.
Hindi naman pre-farm tong LD ah.
Let's fly.
Dito yung meron.
Saan ka naglagay?
Let's see where the road
Saan ka
takes us.
naglagay? Saan ka naglagay?
Magre-regen mo na ako, skip. Ah, Ingat ka lang muna.
You ready for
Pull ko to
shenanigans? Let's see you try to escape.
Ito Timber. Pulado.
I don't think so.
Okay lang.
No
Sige,
time
sige,
to
makunat
dilly-dally.
ako.
Sige. Kunin ko lang yung ano natin.
Hindi ako tapa.
Yung
Kaya nyo ba yung
experience.
torrent lang yan? Torrent lang. Pati
Ready.
kita
Time to
isa.
move.
Level 5 lang pala to, SQ. Tatakot tayo.
Ano yan?
Not so fast.
Ano lang ah. Ano yan?
Yung experience ako.
Let's go, Jix.
Tang. Akin, guys.
5 ka lang pala. Patay ata ako.
Tira na ha. Baka sa inyo mag-PC.
Patay, patay.
Patay? Patay rin to. Tumoko, please. Come here.
Tama na.
Wala, gago.
On my way.
Lost in the woods.
Here we go. Time to move.
Saan kaya
Time to
nag-work yung
get into
enchanters?
trouble.
Tapang niya na. Uy. Papunta
We're
pa lang
going on a
arcane ko,
little
pre.
field
Wait
trip,
lang.
Jix.
Dala ka smoke, Nix. Pwede ko kayo tipiyan na smoke.
No time to dilly-dally.
Kung pwesto shaman na, iniikutan kayo. Pwede ako mag-TP.
Mischief awaits.
Tagal ng courier.
Let's fly.
Nag-jungle na yung LD, nag-jungle
Something
na.
to steal. Let's get moving.
Dive natin. Naka-shield run ako.
Pwede natin comboy niya, may puno
tara
mana
na.
ko.
Stay here.
Sige, sige.
Lucent lang tol. Patay na to. Pasag tayo.
What are we waiting for?
Dalim nyo sa top ha. Hindi kami makakadalaw dyan.
Putang ina!
Lucent lang tol. Abot ka.
Sige lang, sige lang.
Sorry. Pero buhay ka ata.
Bye, bye,
Shield
bye.
anymore.
Gege. Uy, may bounty po, oh. Pa-freebie.
Time to be tough.
So tayo pa bot?
Nice
Ah,
one.
nagtitigan. May patak.
TP Mirana sa
You ready
bottom.
for
Hindi na
shenanigans?
maglalane.
Ayun, nandun pala
Let's see where the road takes us. I'll prove I'm the best. Moving.
Hello, Joe.
On the way ako sa top ha. Kita nyo ako. Viper strike ko to. Reserve lang ngayon ng pang-cancel at
Come on,
TP.
Jix.
Sige, may X-mark ako.
Time to be trouble.
Patayin natin to.
I'm touching. Time to be
Meron yan.
Yung enchantress sa likod ah.
Laban pa. Mahina lang yan. Expert mo tol.
You're not ready for
Ay,
that.
Ayun, ah.
putang! Sorry.
Moving. Don't be getting any ideas, Jix.
Patay na yan.
I'm always on the
Pasag tayo.
mischief awaits. No time to dilly-dally. I'll take that.
Papanyo ako ng smoke. Papanyo ako. Papatayin kay LD sa bottom.
Let's go. I'm full of surprises. Let's fly.
Dale.
My time has come.
The enemy's top tower has fallen.
Here we go. What are we waiting for? Let's get moving. Let's find something to steal. This'll be fun to watch. You ready for
Arbor na
shenanigans?
lang naroon na.
Dito, dito.
Let's see where the road takes
Basta
us.
kaya tayo second. Bote mo to, tol. Tara. Wala silang laban, eh.
Let's go, Jix.
Tara. Basta tayo second sa mid. Sama ka, Jack.
Prove I'm the best.
Place na ako, ops.
Wala tong bear pa.
We're going on a little field trip, Jix.
Tol, pop mo.
Double damage.
TPing ako, TPing ako mid.
On my way. Time to get into trouble.
Huwag yun na i-40, ah.
Moving.
Huwag agad tayo outpost, tas deep ward.
Enemy's middle tower can
Deep ward tayo, deep ward.
no more.
Huli ata.
Sige, tol. Expert mo na yung bear, tol. Patay natin. Matagal CD niyan.
Mischief awaits.
Viper strike ko.
Enjoy.
Hindi, okay lang yan. Pati pa, Chantress pa. Basag tayo second.
Hey, sa...
Set.
Wala, hold up.
Ito lang.
A
1 second.
little mischief
Basta
never
tayo.
kills anymore.
Long has that tower stood against the rise.
Isang support natin, protect tayo ng, natin, XP dito. Basag tayo.
Time to be tough.
Attacks your top tower.
Ikaw na TP, madam?
TV ako dun.
Sige.
Can't stay here.
Sige, tol, basag ka lang. Stack ko
Is
to.
under attack.
Hindi na ba?
No one can stop us. I have a surprise for you.
Expiro na. Huwag yung kalimutan.
Let's fly. Let's find something to steal.
Tapat.
Hindi ako nakatawa ko. Wala akong mana eh.
You ready for shenanigans? Let's see where the road takes us.
Pagka, tol Viper, pwede kita
What are we
i-expert
waiting
sa
for?
base. Pabalik.
Sige, tol.
I'll prove I'm the best.
Expert kita, wag na.
Wag. Di ako sa business.
Okay.
Time to move.
Punta dito yung LG.
Let's go, Jix.
Is
I know these on the move.
Timber nasa top.
I think a little mischief's in order. Here,
Tara, portal ka, tol. Busag tayo top. Roshan tayo.
time to get into trouble.
My,
Nagpa-farm ata dito yung Timber eh.
a flight of fancy.
My time has come. Wait your turn, Jix.
your
This
bottom
one's mine,
tower
Jack.
is under
We're all dead.
Busag tayo. Roshan tayo sa top after, ah.
The
Can't
enemy
stay here.
attacks your bottom tower.
Mischief awaits.
The enemy attacks your bottom tower.
Time to move.
Hi, Amar.
I'm going.
Good job.
Arcane mo kami, tol.
Time to be tough.
Roshan agad tayo.
Let's find something to steal.
Clear mo muna isang wave, tol. Sunod ka sa amin.
The enemy's top tower falls to oblivion.
X-Smart TP ka dito, tol, oh. Ano mo lang? Spam mo lang.
Is under attack.
Sige. Hindi, kala ko yung luna na lang.
Must decide.
Ako na lang.
Ilang level ba na X-Smart mo?
Let's get moving.
Level
Is
3.
under
Tara, Roshan na lang tayo. Yaman na.
See where the road takes us.
The enemy attacks your bottom tower.
You should run around. No time to dilly-dally.
TP muna ako sa mid, ah.
Radiant glyph is under
Let's fly. Let's go, Dick.
Immortality.